Verruca-Freeze H is a convenient and cost-effective cryosurgical device used to treat common warts and benign skin lesions. Verruca-Freeze H treats 9 types of warts and benign lesions through targeted application of extreme cold. Inside your Verruca-Freeze H kit, you will find a canister of cryogen and CryoBud applicators. There are 2 sizes of CryoBuds for Verruca-Freeze H. The arrow-shaped buds treat smaller lesions, up to 2 millimeters in size. And the round-shaped buds treat larger lesions, up to 5 millimeters in size. Select an applicator bud that is approximately 1 millimeter larger than the lesion to be treated. To begin treatment, insert the CryoBud firmly into the nozzle with a twisting motion. Once the CryoBud is secure, remove the safety cap from the top of the canister. Hold the canister upright with the CryoBud pointing away from you and the patient. Gently press the dispensing valve for 3 to 6 seconds until the first droplet emerges from the foam tip. After saturating the CryoBud, rotate the canister so the bud is pointed downwards. Wait approximately 15 seconds for the bud to crystallize and reach its optimal freezing temperature of -55 degrees Celsius. Place the frozen bud directly onto the lesion and hold firmly for 20 to 40 seconds. Freeze time will depend on size and type of lesion being treated. For recommended freeze times, refer to the instruction manual included with your kit. After a successful treatment, a white ice ball should appear. Allow the ice ball to thaw naturally for approximately 40 seconds and do not touch until completely thawed. If no ice ball is visible, the lesion may have been under-frozen. Repeat steps of the freeze-thaw cycle to ensure destruction of the entire lesion. The arrow-shaped bud will stay cold for approximately 90 seconds, and the round-shaped bud will stay cold for approximately 120 seconds. This is long enough to perform an additional treatment on the same patient. After treatment is complete, dispose of the used bud. Verruca-Freeze H is for use by medical professionals only. Before using, be sure to review the instruction manual included with your kit. For more information, please visit verrucafreeze.com.